You are God. You are not just be God. You are not just like you. You are a great God. You are God. You are not just be God. You are not just like you. You are a great God. Hi, I will get right to it. If you are joining us for the first time, you can visit my channel and watch how to play the major scale versus major pentatonic scale on the first position. Today, I'll be teaching on how to play the major scale versus major pentatonic scale on the second position. Major scale versus major pentatonic scale is simply detaching T and Fa from the major scale. Have a look at the finger placement for the major scale. I am going to detach T and Fa on this second position. Okay, here we have Do, Re, Mi, Fa. I'm detaching the Fa from the major scale. You can see So, La, T. I'm detaching T from the major scale. Now we have Do, Re. Here we have Mi here. Here we have Mi, Fa. So this Mi, here is Fa. So I'm detaching this Fa from the major scale. Here we have Mi, Fa. So here, yes. La here. T. So I'm detaching T from the second string. You have Do here, Re, Mi, Fa. So I'm detaching this Fa from here. So here we have major pentatonic scale. Take note, still on second position. Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do. One more time. Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi. Sorry. Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re. I have an assignment for you. Your assignment is to do the same finger movements and the same pattern on every key that is on this sixth string, meaning that I have to study the finger movement and finger placement. For example, we just played on key G. Here is G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, and so on. Okay, for example, take note, here is G. Now I'm going to do the same thing on G sharp. The next key, that was key G sharp. The next key A major, key A, key A sharp, the next key, the next key, the next key, Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, where we'll be linking the first position and the second position of the major scale, and also the linking of the first position and second position of major pentatonic scale.